The title for today's presentation is Crafting Your Oasis, a guide to creating a stylish garden space. Hey there, green thumbs and outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of garden design and exploring how to transform your outdoor space into a stylish haven. Whether you're an avid gardener or just someone who enjoys soaking up the sun in a picturesque setting, these tips will help you turn your garden into a true masterpiece. Step number 1 is capture the sun in the garden. Let's start with the basics: sunlight. The sun is nature's spotlight, and we want to make sure your garden gets its fair share. Begin by observing the sunlight patterns in your garden throughout the day. Identify the sunny spots and strategically place your seeding and plants to make the most of those golden rays. A well-lit garden not only looks inviting, but also creates a warm and vibrant atmosphere. Step number 2 is include striking outdoor features. Now let's talk about making a statement. Every stylish garden needs a focal point, something that grabs attention and adds character. Consider adding striking outdoor features like a sculptural fountain, a unique garden sculpture, or even a beautiful fire pit. These focal point elements not only serve as eye-catching centerpieces, but also create a cozy and inviting atmosphere for gatherings. Step number 3 is incorporate a natural or modern pond into your garden. Water features are a fantastic way to add tranquility and a touch of luxury to your garden. Whether you opt for a natural pond surrounded by lush vegetation or a modern, sleek water feature, the sound of running water can transform your garden into a peaceful retreat. Don't forget to add water-loving plants and perhaps some fish to complete the serene ambiance. Step number 4 is build a sleek raised deck for seating. When it comes to seating, think elevated. A sleek raised deck not only provides a designated space for outdoor lounging, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your garden. Choose weather-resistant and stylish furniture, throw in some outdoor cushions, and you've got yourself the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee or enjoy an evening cocktail. Step number 5 is use clipped hedges for structure. Creating structure in your garden is essential for a polished look. Add clipped hedges into your garden. These versatile green walls not only provide privacy, but also serve as the perfect backdrop for your plants and outdoor features. Experiment with different shapes and heights to add depth and interest to your garden design. The clean lines of well-maintained hedges can truly elevate the aesthetic of your outdoor space. Step number 6 is cover fences with eye-catching climbers. Fences may be a necessity, but that doesn't mean they can't be stylish. Transform those plain wooden or metal barriers into works of art. You can also add eye-catching climbers to the fences. Consider vibrant flowering vines like bougainvillea or climbing roses to add color and texture. Not only do climbers soften the look of the fence, but they also create a lush and inviting atmosphere. Step number 7 is choose a modern paving material. Forget about boring concrete. The path to a stylish garden is paved with modern materials. Opt for sleek and contemporary paving options like large format tiles, natural stone, or even polished concrete. These choices not only provide a clean and sophisticated look, but also create a visually appealing contrast with the surrounding greenery. Step number 8 is build a contemporary garden shelter. Lastly, let's talk about creating a cozy haven within your garden. A contemporary garden shelter, whether it's a pergola, a modern gazebo, or even a stylish outdoor lounge, can serve as the perfect retreat from the elements. Add some comfortable seating, throw in a few outdoor rugs and cushions, and voila! You have an intimate and stylish space for entertaining or simply enjoying a good book on a lazy afternoon. In conclusion, creating a stylish garden space is all about combining functionality with aesthetics. Capture the sun, incorporate striking features, embrace water elements, elevate your seating, structure with hedges, cover fences with climbers, choose modern paving materials, and build a contemporary shelter. With these tips, your garden will become a stylish oasis that reflects your personality and invites you to enjoy the great outdoors in comfort and luxury. Happy gardening! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.